Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Let us look at this question. We have two options, part A or part B. Let's see part A first. Define the term power of accommodation of human eye. Write the name of the part of eye which plays a major role in the process of accommodation. And explain what happens when the human eye focuses on nearby objects and distant objects. Let's answer part A. What is power of accommodation? It refers to the ability of the eye lens to adjust its focal length to see objects clearly at different distances. The part of the eye that plays a major role in this process is the ciliary muscles, which modify the curvature of the lens. Now, let's see what happens when focusing on nearby objects. The ciliary muscles contract. The lens gets thicker, meaning more convex. Consequently, its focal length decreases, allowing it to focus on the nearby object. And what happens when focusing on distant objects? The ciliary muscles relax. The lens gets thinner, meaning less convex. Thus, its focal length increases, allowing it to focus on the distant object. Now, let's look at the alternative question, part B. Draw a ray diagram to show the formation of a rainbow in the sky. And on this diagram mark A where dispersion occurs, B where internal reflection occurs, and C where refraction occurs. Also, list two necessary conditions to observe a rainbow. Let's answer part B. Here is the ray diagram showing the formation of a rainbow. Observe the diagram carefully. At point A, white light from the sun enters the raindrop, undergoing refraction and dispersion into colors. At point B, the light hits the back of the drop and undergoes internal reflection. Finally, at point C, it exits the drop, refracting again to reach the observer's eye as a rainbow. Now, let's list the two necessary conditions to observe a rainbow. First, the sun needs to be behind the viewer. Second, there must be water droplets present in the atmosphere, usually after a rain shower. Thank you. Happy learning.